This right here is a brand new color. Last week we showed you 6 new Perspective Performance Series colors and asked you guys which one should go full scale and which one should go on the Mustang this week in ultra high gloss. And the winner is ShadowGlade. ShadowGlade is like a deep, dark mid-tone green with color shifting effects. It's an incredible color. So let me pop it open and get it into the glass real quick so I can show it to you. So here's ShadowGlade. You're not going to be able to see everything here, but you can kind of get an idea of the green tones. It's got color shifting properties. I've already made a mess. Thank you, sir. We're going to go over a black base today. Gabe knew, if I can set the record straight, that ShadowGlade was probably going to win. I thought it was either going to be Galactic Walnut or the bonus color that we threw in there, and both of them were a close second and third, but ShadowGlade took the cake. So here's the color, and again, because this is Performance Series, the metallic and color shifting elements are already in the gallon. Super easy to spray, very budget friendly. You don't have to put a gloss with a top coat on top to get that metallic effect, but we are going to finish the car today in ultra high gloss, so you're going to see ShadowGlade in all of its glory. So let me show you a little stick of truth here. Wow, yeah, I love this color. So you're gonna get some of the greens, and then you're gonna get some of this, some of that. It's gonna be awesome. So, what do you think? 2 coats, 3 coats of ShadowGlade and we should be good?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, that's all we have to say. We're ready to go. We're psyched. You pumped?
I'm ready.
I'm pumped. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and this is the brand new ShadowGlade color. And remember, ShadowGlade is a Performance Series gallon. So if you were looking for an awesome color shifting effect that was both easy to spray and cost effective, ShadowGlade might be perfect for you. So we're gonna take the car outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a good look at it all the way around, leave a comment below, and rate this one for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you don't. And if you wanna change the color of your own car, whether it's with peelable paint or permanent paint, we have everything in one place. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a ton of fun in this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.
ShadowGlade.